Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and I am over here at Sarsee Beauty. We and myself and I would love if you subscribed and joined my little family here. I do a lot of makeup videos, like toy tutorials, a lot of unboxings and reviews, and just anything that I find interest in. So if you relate to me at all, I would love if you subscribed and we can be friends. So anyways, today I am unboxing some Boxycharm magic. And in case you are unfamiliar, Boxycharm is a subscription service that is $21 a month, and they give you generally like 4 to 5 full-size products. And I really enjoy it because usually they give you a lot of makeup products and makeup brushes and things like that. Occasionally there's some skincare and hair care, but it more leans towards makeup. So anyways, let's get started. If you are curious to see previous months, I have done several months in the past. And I usually try on all the products in the boxes. So if you are curious to see how they apply, you can stick to the end of the video. So let's get started. And it says on the inside, #Boxycharm and Hello Charmer. I find that really adorable, and I love the little touches that the boxes do. Alright, and then this is what the box looks like on the inside. I love the holographic that I'm seeing already. I'm like, oh, yes, 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 yes. Ooh, cute. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh my god. So it seems like this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. Ooh, I'm like perfect with my little eyeshadow look going. Perfect. But it says Galaxy Glow, and then on the back of the card it shows you like the products and some tips and tricks how to use them, which I really love and appreciate from Boxycharm. And the other thing I also love is that they include the prices, which is like my favorite thing about Boxycharm, because I feel like they know that their box is worth some money. Alright, so I'm obviously going to pick up this thing first, and it's the Naked Cosmetics, and I've seen this all over Instagram, and it's the Holographic Highlighter Collection Palette. And this is what, oh my god, I love it. This is what it looks like on the inside. And like the swatches, I mean, I'm a little bit nervous about these highlighters, but like I'm totally down for it. Like they're each kind of like a pink, like a red, and a yellow, and a blue. We'll swatch them all. Oh my god. So here they are. Oh my god, I don't even know if you can see them. They look more, there's like fallout, like falling out from my arm. But I don't know if you guys can see them. But these are like the first top row of like pinks and purples. And then these are like the yellowish. Maybe because my skin is so white. Let me turn off my light and see. Oh, it's so dark. I don't know if that's any better, if you guys can see or not. Maybe a little bit. It looks a little more iridescent without my light. But they're just like powder. Can you see that? But they're very powdery, but I do like the colors, so I'll have to give it a try. I mean, it depends upon how you apply them and everything, how they're gonna work. But I mean, they're interesting. I'll give it to them. They're interesting. And that highlighter palette is $39.99, which is insane because like the glow kits are like only like $30 or $40. So you could just get a glow kit, and glow kits are bomb. Anyways, ooh, the next thing that is piquing my interest immediately is this brush set from Com Brushes. Oh my god, yes. I love the pink tips, but these are gonna get dirty so quick, but this is really nice. I do like the brushes, and I love like the pink and white kind of aesthetic. This is, oh, shoot. Oh my god, I like dropped the whole box. Okay. And they're really, the brushes are super, super, super soft. So we'll have to see how it applies in the tutorial. Let's see. Set is $29.99. And it says, well, this large brush is to set everything all over the face. And then it says the medium size is to sculpt the face. It's pretty small, but I mean for like detail work maybe. And then the small one, which I thought would be like for eyeshadow, is to apply concealer under the eyes. So interesting. Okay, that's cool. I will have to see how they apply in the tutorial. That's exciting. Like, yes. That's a really good get, and I think everyone got that in the box this month. Sometimes there's like variations with the month, and I know with the Naked Cosmetics, some people got like a Z palette and an Ofra blush, but I kind of wanted to try the highlighting palette since I have Z palettes already, so I was like, yeah, don't need it too much. Okay, and then the next thing we got is from Vantage, and it is a black liner, and oh, I never have had a black eyeliner before. But this is what it looks like swatched out. It's nice because it seems like there's a lot of glitter things, so a black liner is nice to throw in as a way to kind of like get a nice base and a way to accentuate or kind of have a base for these bright colors. Alright, and then, ooh, some glitters, glitters. Oh, and by the way, that liner that I barely talked about retails for $21. And apparently it's a creamy, soft formula for smudging. I don't really like smudging formulas. I want it to stay in place. Oh my god. Okay, so we got a Bellapierre glitter. Oh, and it is in this it's called Cosmic Blue. Ooh. The way I apply glitters is I usually apply like, my favorite lately is the NYX Glitter Glue, and then I'll apply the glitter on top. And then I also, before applying glitter, I'll apply like my crease eyeshadow, so it makes it look more quote unquote natural. Or I guess well blended would be the word. Get off. Shake it up. Give it to me, baby, shake it up. Give it to me, baby, shake it up. Give it to me, baby, shake it up. So then I applied some glitter glue on my hand, and there is the glitter right here on my hand. So we'll see how it applies on the lids. I'm excited. It's a pretty color. It's kind of like a violet translucent with a little bit of blue tint. And that, I don't know if I said, but it was the color Cosmic Blue. And I saved the best for last, and it's the Cover FX, and I think these are brand new. It's the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. Oh wait, maybe they aren't new. I don't know. Ooh. Cover FX Shimmer Veil and it's in the shade Amethyst. So I don't know if this, ooh. 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 That's pretty. There she is. There's Amethyst. Oh my god. I'm ready to do a look right there. So I think it is a highlighter and eyeshadow, but I mean you can use highlighter as eyeshadow any day. And eyeshadow as highlighter sometimes. For me, it's like if the texture looks nice, I'm down for it. But anyways, these are, it's good for eyeshadow and it says for highlight. So yes, that is so pretty. Oh my god. And it like dries flat. It's not like, it's like glittery, but it's like smooth. So it's really, really pretty. Oh. Anyways, that is $28. And then the glitter is $15. Oh my god. Oh shit. I'm like so ready. Yes, yes. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. So if you've been keeping track at home, or if you're a lot better at math than me, the box retails for $132. $132. Doll hairs. And this month I think is super, super awesome. I love when they have a good theme, and I love the brush kit, the highlight kit. We shall see how it applies on the skin. I feel like we always have to see how it applies. Super stoked about the glitter, and extra stoked about the cover effects. Like, oh my god. The black liner I could take or miss, but it's like I get the point of it, so I get the reason why it's there. All in all, oh my god, this is such a good month. Anyways, that completes this portion of the Boxycharm. If you want to stick around for the tutorial, please do. Hopefully it's amazing, otherwise it's not. But I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hey guys, and welcome to the tutorial part of the video. I'm starting with the Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I like to set my eyeshadow base with a white matte shade, and this is in Liberatus. And then for the crease shade, I'm going into a kind of purpley vibe, and this is from Geek, and this is in the shade Unexpected. And I'm just kind of blending that out into the crease lightly. And then doing the same thing on the other eye. This just sets a base for all the crazy colors that we're gonna do. I'm dipping into the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm using the shade Chaos, and this is a dark blue matte shade, and just kind of putting that all over half of the lid, and then on the inner corner I was gonna put the pink glitter shade. For a little more definition, I'm gonna go in the shade Gonzo, which is a brighter kind of blue, and just sticking that into the middle of the lid. The shade Gonzo, I'm creating a wing as well, and then shading that under the eyes. And I like to do my foundation and concealer after eyeshadow because it definitely gets a little bit of fallout. And then taking the NYX Glitter Glue, I'm just applying that on the lid to apply the Bellapierre glitter that we got in the Boxycharm. And letting that get tacky, and then applying the Bellapierre glitter. And like I said, this is in Cosmic Blue, and it actually worked better applying it with a brush, so props to that. In the inner corner, I'm taking the Cover FX glitter, and this is in the shade Amethyst. This is actually really, really nice, and it's very, very smooth. And for concealer, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape. I tried using the crown brush for concealer, but I ended up just liking my beauty blender. But that's a given for like all brushes. I just like using my beauty blender. And tossing that brush right out. And then using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in Fair, and then just setting my whole foundation with this powder. And then using the Vantage Black liner that we got in the box. This liner is pretty creamy, but it isn't my favorite. It still gets a little smudgy. And then using the Wet n Wild bronzer, and using the crown brush that we got as well. I did like the powder and the contour brush, but not so much the foundation. We're getting into a little bit of highlight. This is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter. And I thought they were actually pretty comparable to the Kat Von D Alchemist palette. But I still like my Alchemist palette. But I think it just has the same amount of glow. For lips, I'm using the Buxom Lipliner, and I'll link in the description box what that is called. I got it in a holiday kit recently that was on clearance. For lips, I'm using the matching lip gloss. And that completes the Galaxy Glow look and review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this box was really awesome this month, like most months. And I hope to see you in my next video, and I will see you in my next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.